Hello YouTube, Charge Tech's back with another great video, and today's video is related with a Microsoft Store error code. It may appear different error codes on your screen and it show you try this later, or connection error or some kind of errors may happen while you try to open your Microsoft Store. So on this video we are going to see 7 solutions, so stay tuned until the end of the video. One of the solutions may help to solve your problem. Let's see how can we solve this problem. So the first solution will be, it's related with a basic solution, which is checking your date and time setting. So you can go to the left bottom corner, the right bottom corner, and select adjust date and time. So after you get adjust date and time, then here check whether the time is set automatically. As you can see in my case it's turned on, so make sure it's turned on. And also check your time zone, which is you are on the perfect time zone to your computer. So you can select one of the time zone which is preferable to your area. So after you check all these things, then click on this sync now, and it will check and it will synchronize and it will finish. And as you can see, it give me a tick and close the time window and check the other solution. So the other solution to solve this Microsoft error would be sign in and sign out from your Microsoft Store. So open your Microsoft Store and sign out from the account and again sign in back. So select the account and select your account and select sign out. So as you can see, it's signed out, and again click on it, which is, it will show you to sign in back, then select sign in. So as you can see here, I'm logged in my account. So maybe sign out and sign in can solve your problem related with the Microsoft Store. The other solution is running a troubleshooter. So to run a troubleshooter, here select the search icon on your browser and type troubleshoot. So as you can see here, we found troubleshoot, then select troubleshoot setting. So on the troubleshoot setting, it will show you other troubleshooter. Then select the other troubleshooter and go to the bottom section and you will find Windows Store Apps. Here, Windows Store Apps. Then select here Run. So after you select Run, it starts detecting problems related with Microsoft Store. So it will help you to solve your problem. So it may take some minutes, or wait patiently until it will finish detecting the problem. So here it finished troubleshooting, could not find or could not identify the problem. So close this one, which is the troubleshooter did not find any problem related with your Microsoft Store. So if the troubleshooter cannot help you, then the fifth step would be clearing cache data related with your Microsoft Store. So to clear those cache data, again select the search and type Wsreset, which is this Wsreset. So select the Wsreset and it will show you a CMD or a black screen, and wait until the process would be completed. Okay, as you can see, the Microsoft Store opened after the Wreset completed. So this Wreset, when it finishes, it will automatically opens the Microsoft Store. So this solution also can help you to solve your Microsoft Store error problems. The other one would be creating a new user account. This one also can help you in solving this problem. So in order to create a new user account, just select the search icon and open setting, or you can type here settings, and here you find settings. Then under the settings you will find accounts. Select here accounts. So after the accounts open, then select here sign in family and other users option. So after you open family and other users option, then select add other user and select here add account. So it will show you this Microsoft account page, and if you have any Microsoft account, then you can type or you can put on this box. But if you don't have, you can leave it by selecting this. I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then it will proceed to the next step. And again, you can create. If you don't want to create, you can leave it by selecting which is add a user without a Microsoft account, this one, and give a user another user, for example user 2, then give a password and finish and restart your computer. For example, you can give this username and you can give a password, and you can give again same password. You can answer this security questions, then select next, then re-enter with the account that you created. So restart your computer and log in with the new user account that you created. So if this thing cannot solve your problem, the other one would be checking your TCL under the internet options. So to check your TCL, select here and type here under the search box internet options. So here you find the internet options, then open internet options, then here under the internet options, you will find advanced. So select advanced and go to the bottom, and here we find TLS options, different TLS options. So make sure you uncheck TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, and only check this TLS 1.2. Only this one. Only use TLS 1.2 and select here apply, then select here OK, and check whether your problem is solved or not. If this solution cannot help you, the final thing would be using the PowerShell. So using the PowerShell, we are going to uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store apps in the Microsoft Store too. So here again, select the search icon and type here PowerShell and right click on it and select run as administrator. Make sure you right click on it and you select run as administrator, and here we find the select administrator Windows PowerShell opened, and here I have some command on my notepad, so I'm going to put it on the description box. So you can copy and paste with a link in a notepad, so you can copy and paste to your Microsoft Store, to your PowerShell, So copy paste the first one, which is removing the apps and the package. So select this one, then select copy and paste it on your PowerShell and press enter. So it's removing those applications related with Microsoft Store. So it's removed and it finished. Then let's do for the second one. Select this one again and copy this and paste it on the PowerShell and press enter. So it starts, it's going to show you some red lines. It starts installing back the Microsoft Store and it's already finished. Then close the PowerShell and restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether the Microsoft Store error is solved or not. So these are the 7 solutions to solve this error codes or Microsoft Store errors or not opening problems on your computer. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching for today. Chash Take out.